Hey man, I heard you're on some new diet. Yes, I'm currently on a seafood diet. Seafood? Is it like you seafood and you eat it? No, seafood like fish, calamari, prawns, crab, lobster. Things from the sea, the ocean. Oh, that kind of seafood? Ain't that just pescatarian, my friend? Yeah, I guess so. I guess you could say I'm pescatarian. You a strange man. Horns up and welcome to my unimpressive weight loss transformation. If you're new, welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a death metal musician and I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. This is my series where I chronicle and document my weight loss journey. And this week it's all about seafood. Like fish. Smash that like button if you see food and eat it. Hey guys, good morning. It's a gloomy and rainy day here in Bombay City, and my week of eating seafood starts today. Though yesterday I did have some seafood. Dipti made some epic prawn pasta, which we had for lunch, and a friend of her had come over. So Dipti also baked an apple streusel cake, which was delicious. So we ate that. And then I also ate that Black Forest Aman, which I had left over. I've also got half a Pop Tart left over from last week. And for dinner I had the butter chicken risotto, which also came in last week's vlog episode. So that was yesterday in a nutshell. But I weighed myself this morning and I was 69.2 kilos. So, my weight's kind of just, it is what it is. But now the seafood week starts, so I'm going to whip up like a tuna salad for breakfast maybe. There's also an apple, so I was thinking of making a tuna fish salad with apple. I don't know if that sounds weird or not, but who knows? I won't know till I try it, So yeah, that's the plan right now, and I'll check in with you once I have some food to show you. Good morning guys, it's almost the end of the week and I haven't gotten sick of seafood yet, so that's a good thing. But I didn't plan very well, so this morning I haven't got any seafood for breakfast. So I'm skipping breakfast. I just had a little bit of watermelon. I thought I would order a sandwich, but since I do want to have a fish burger today, I figured I'd order that for lunch and just have my lunch a bit earlier than normal. So I'm going to do that. And my weight hasn't changed in the last 3 days, so that's the weight update, I guess. But yeah, otherwise it's been a pretty boring week. I've just been playing guitar and learning some of my songs because I've got some new music coming out, and I'll keep you guys posted about that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much been the week in a nutshell, and I will check in with you when I get my fish burger for lunch. So my fish burger has arrived and it looks really good. I also got a portion of the crinkle cut fries, and can you hear that? I'm going to go now, and yeah, they're doing some building work, so I'm going to go and enjoy the burger, and I'll check in with you later. And you'll be able to find the burger tasting on Headbanger Eats. I'll link it somewhere. It's my final seafood meal for the week, and what better way to end the week than with sushi? Because I mean, if you're eating seafood, how can you not have some sushi? So I've got myself a regular salmon and avocado sushi, and I also got some eel or unagi. Anyway, I can't wait to go and dig into my sushi, and I'll check in with you later. And just like that, my friends, another week is over. And I weighed myself this morning and I was 69.1 kilos, which means I lost zero point 0.2 kilos this week, or half a pound. And you know what? I didn't get sick of seafood. I could eat seafood for another week. I had a good variety of meals, and overall I think I enjoyed this week. It was an interesting change for me from constantly eating chicken and sometimes pork and beef to just eating seafood, which I don't actually eat very often. Anyway, I want to talk to you guys about something. I have now been doing this series for 5 months, and in these 5 months I've lost a total of 2.4 kilos or 5 pounds, which is about a pound a month, which is not a lot, but I guess that was always the sort of motive of this series, is to show you that weight loss doesn't need to be at a rapid pace. It's not a race. So I've lost about a pound a month, which to me is frankly good enough. But the reason I'm telling you all this is because this is unfortunately the last episode of this series. I think I have done and said everything that I needed to do. I think it's just come to a point where I think I'm going to go back to more recipe videos now, and I've done this before on the channel, so you guys know that when I say it's the end, it's never really the end, you know. Now normally I would always make a separate video when I'm ending a series or something, because that's what YouTube encourages you to do. That's what people like to see, the drama and the clickbait and all that. But I thought this time I'd just keep it low key. So I'm not going to make a separate announcement video. I'm just going to tell you here that this is the end of the series. I'm going to go back to doing more cooking videos, more recipe videos. So make sure that you regularly check into the channel for more recipe videos. They are going to be mostly keto and low carb recipes. But what I do want to say is that even though this is officially the end of this series and the way I've been doing it, you know, on YouTube, you're always evolving. As a creator, you're always evolving. So while this series is over now, it may return someday in the future in a different avatar, you know, my unimpressive weight loss transformation, but in a new way. I mean, I don't know, but I'm just saying, you know, for now we're saying goodbye, but it's not really the end, even though it is the end. I don't know if that makes any sense. And I always ramble like this when I don't script out my videos, so I should do that next time. But yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to say about this. And of course, thank you all for watching this series. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was worth your time. I hope you learned something. I hope you found it insightful, educational, entertaining, something. And you know, Honestly, I'm so grateful to each and every one of you who watched this series, who commented on the videos, who motivated me throughout the 5 months to pick up the camera and film myself and to document this journey. I really had fun, and I hope you did too. And I will forever be grateful. Anyway, I guess that's been enough jibber jabber from me. I'm going to go back to those recipe videos now, and I will see you next week. Unfortunately, not the same time, but the same place for sure, with some new recipe videos. And till then, I guess, cheers and keep cooking.